Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 2x plus 1. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have the u equal to 2dx because first derivative of x we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. dv we have cosine 3x dx. The integration of this one we have v equal to 1 over 3 sine 3x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have number 2 multiplied by 1 over 3. We have 2 over 3. And now we have the integration sine 3x dx. So the integration of this one with the negative sign here, we have positive 1 over 3 cosine 3x, and I will put about c. So number 3 with number 3, we have 2 over 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.